Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the image and making non-destructive backups so you can always revert. First, duplicate the background layer to preserve the original pixels. Then, check image size to confirm resolution and dimensions. Make adjustments if you need print or web output. Once done, set rulers and guides from view to frame your composition. Make sure the workspace shows layers, history, and tool palettes so you can access essential tools quickly without hunting through menus. You now move into core corrections that define the image quality. Start with levels or curves to set proper black, mid, and white points. This controls contrast and detail. Next, adjust hue/saturation and color balance to correct color casts or boost mood. Use the healing brush and clone stamp on a duplicated layer to remove spots and distractions. Sample nearby texture for seamless patches. Throughout, toggle the adjustment layer visibility to compare before and after so you finish by refining details and preparing the final file. Apply selective sharpening with unsharp mask on a merged copy. Mask the effect where sharpening would harm skin or noise. Use dodge and burn gently to guide the viewer's eye and deepen contrast in key areas. If needed, add a subtle vignette to focus attention. Once satisfied, save a layered PSD for future edits, then export a flattened JPEG or TIFF with appropriate quality and resolution. If colors shift, check the ICC profile and undo, then re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.